Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, once again I welcome you to a wonderful video. Please measure your feelings and emotions now and then measure your feelings and emotions after watching this video. If you find any increase, you must comment this video, and if you find any decrease, again you must comment this video so that I get to know the way you feel about this video. Well guys, let me tell you honestly, this procedure of Ielts continues in your life for minimum 4 weeks to maximum 6 months, not more than that. Like today, you are watching my videos, you are preparing for Ielts. This procedure or the life of, what do I say? The life of Ielts preparation is for 4 weeks to 6 months. After 6 months or after 4 weeks, you will not be doing Ielts. And there will be 2 outcomes. Outcome number 1, you prepared for Ielts, you appeared in Ielts, you took Ielts test and you got your desired band. Well done. Outcome number 2, you prepared for Ielts, you appeared in Ielts, but you could not get your desired band and you are back to track where you were. That is outcome number 2. Now let me tell you guys, sometimes situations, conditions are not in our control. Listen to me. This is Stoic belief. Situations and conditions and circumstances are not in our control, but the choices that we make in those conditions and circumstances, we do control them. So it's just a matter of choice. It's just a matter of choices, guys. I'm telling you, if you understand this point of mine, Ielts will become easier for you. You will get your desired band and you will get more than your desired band. Now, what are the circumstances? Your English is weak. What are the conditions? Ielts reading is a nightmare. What are the situations? You don't have enough money to go for Ielts coaching and all that. These are conditions, situations and circumstances. What are the choices? Choice number 1, you see a negative situation, you surrender, you give up. Choice number 1. But on the other hand, some people don't surrender, they tackle, they face. Those who tackle, those who face, those who rise and shine in these type of situations because of their choices, they are the people who succeed in life. I have a list of hundreds of students who appeared in Ielts by merely watching my videos and they got their desired band. Hundreds of students, and now I would say thousands of students who just watched my videos, appeared in Ielts and got their desired band. They did not go to any coaching center. They did not join any teacher, right? So if they can do it, now what is this? That was a choice. They made a choice. And what was the choice? That I would not go to any coaching center, I would not go anywhere, I would just watch the videos and work hard. So the choices you have, even in adverse circumstances, in adverse situation, the choices that you make, these choices decide your destination and your future. It can be a choice that for the next 6 weeks, I'll give 8 to 10 hours a day to Ielts. It is a choice. It is a choice that I'll take at least 2 listening and 2 reading tests a day. It is a choice that you say, I will do writing and I will write some essays every day. It is a choice. And you say, I will try to speak English with someone. It is a choice. So the choices that you make, these choices will take you to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or any country wherever you want to go. So again, guys, I tell you, it's not the conditions, it's the choices which are made under those conditions, because God Almighty has given us this ability to choose, right? And we are what we choose. If today you guys know me as an Ielts trainer, as an Ielts coach, it is because of the choice I made once upon a time when I was only English language teacher. I made a choice to switch from English language to IELTS teaching. Right? So because of that choice, after so many years, you can see the result. So we are the outcome of our past choices, and we will be the outcome of our present choices. Write it down somewhere. We will be the outcome of our present choices. So the choices you have. Now, there are some students who don't get good bench score in IELTS. What are the choices they have? They don't work hard. They don't study, they don't practice IELTS, they don't practice listening, reading, writing tests. Even if they go to any coaching center, they take interest in girls, right? They enjoy with girls and all that. They don't know. Once upon a time, a very famous singer, when he was not popular, he was just youngster. He used to look at his friends going with their girlfriends and all that. And he didn't go. One of his friends asked him that, why don't you make a girlfriend and go out with her and all that? He said, this is not the right age and stage that I should go out. I have to be something. Then these things will automatically come to me. Sometimes we get attracted. Sometimes we attract. Success is something you attract by becoming an attractive person. You should remember this thing. So you attract good bench score by becoming, for example, I got 8 band in IELTS, so I attracted that, right? So if you want to get 6.5 band, you should be capable. Then you are going to attract 6.5 band. Let me tell you guys, now maybe this video will have 100 views now, 200 views, 1000 views, 5000 views, 10,000 views, I don't know. But all the people who watched this video, out of those people, there will be a 1% who are going to change their life after watching their video. Those who are going to reach their destination country after watching those videos. And you have to decide whether you are going to be that 1% or you are going to be that 99%. 99% of you who are watching this video, I'm telling you, in the next 2-3 hours, you will forget this video. In the next 2-3 days, you will totally forget the message and everything. But those who are going to stick to the idea you got from this video, this idea is going to change your life. In English, it is said, only one idea, one thought, one action is enough to change your life. I took my action when I became an IELTS trainer, and it changed my life. It revolutionized my life, guys. So the actions and thoughts and ideas which are going to be acted upon today, they are going to revolutionize your life towards the positivity and success. All the best. I pray for you guys that you reach your destination country, and once you reach your destination country, you have to pray for me as well. Because if you are going to be prosperous, I'm going to be prosperous. And by the grace of God, I'm already quite prosperous. What I achieved today, when you are watching this video, whatever I have achieved today, I had never dreamt of that. I had never dreamed of huge success which I'm enjoying today by the grace of Almighty. So if I can do it, you can do it. Whatever one human being can do it, every human being can do it. Write it down somewhere. Whatever one human being can do it, every human being can do it. If one person can get 7 band, you can get 7 band as well. You have to pay the price. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Well, guys, let me tell you, I am not a motivational speaker. I'm just a simple IELTS trainer. So now we have reached the end of this video. You should go down and comment the way you started watching this video. And by the way, you are lucky if you reached here. There is another sign, like many people would have left this video in the beginning. By the time now, if you are here until this point, please comment and then type there, I am a winner. Those who reached until this point when I'm making this video, they should comment, I am a winner, right? Because this thing shows your consistency and perseverance, which are the essential elements for success. So if you've reached here, this thing shows that you're going to be from that 1% who are going to find their way to reach their destination. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.